Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about the lower string method in Python. The lower method converts all uppercase letters in a string into lowercase letters. It is one of the most commonly used string methods in Python. Let's see an example. Text is equals to Python, which is in the uppercase. String text dot lower open and close brackets. Output will become Python in the lowercase letters. Here all capital letters are converted into small letters. Another example is that name is equals to Harini, which is present in uppercase letter. Then we have to give the code like print name dot lower. Then the output will become as Harini in the lowercase letter, as you can see in the first slide. So this method is very useful when you are working with user input because users may type text in different cases like uppercase, lowercase, and starting letter is uppercase and another all the other letters are lowercase. All of them can be converted into lowercase for easy comparison. So remember one thing, lower method converts a string into lowercase letters. In the slide 2, we can see the working and uses of this lower method. And here are some examples to understand this lower method. First example is message is equals to hello world, which is present in uppercase. After giving the code, we get the output like hello world in the lowercase. So here all letters become lowercase, numbers and symbols remain unchanged. Python equals to Python 123, and after giving the code we can see Python 123 Python, which is present in the lowercase letter. Only letters are converted, numbers remains the same. Important point, lower method does not permanently change the original string unless we store it. Same as we discussed in the uppercase and upper method, this the same examples are present. So this lower method is useful in login systems, search operations, text comparison, user input handling, and formatting text. Quick recap for the lower method is lower converts uppercase to lowercase, works only on letters, and returns a new string. Difference between upper and lower method is that upper converts capital letters and lower converts into small letters. So today you have learned about what lower is and how it works and practical examples. To understand these methods more perfectly and deeply, you should practice and learn the code and do practice. So happy coding.